Welcome to our brand new apartment. Uh, this is our main living area. We have a projector. We keep that wall open so that we can watch movies there. I got a piano finally. All my little decor on top. We have just kind of hand-me-down stuff that we've thrifted or found on Amazon. It's our furniture. We have a fireplace. Dylan's favorite chair. I like having the plants inside to bring a little bit of life indoors and to clean our air. This right now is our little reading nook. I am playing with the idea of turning it into a dining area though, just so we can host more people. Our kitchen. Clearly there is a lot of green in this place. Even the carpet is green, which is something else, but we make do. Our very first dining table. It's really nice to actually be able to sit down and eat a meal together. And if you notice that little thing on the fridge, we're pregnant. This is what Dylan calls the Sleeping Beauty bathroom because it is pink and blue, so just like the fairies fighting over the colors. The tub still needs a little attention, but as you can see, a lot of the stuff in there is pink. We have some hallway storage. This room is going to be our nursery, but it's also doubling as our workout room right now. So eventually I'll figure that out and give a nursery tour. We have our office, which still needs a little bit of attention and organization, but we both love reading. I like having some place to display my art and extra little things. Very old iMac computer, and this is our project shelf. Then the master bedroom. I love the hardwood floors. I'm making sure to protect them just with some mats and then some coverings over the or under the bed. I have my little jewelry holder right there so I can just plop it in there. And this is our very, very blue bathroom. The toilet, the shower, everything is blue. Obviously decorating with a lot of plants still and crystals. And there I am. You can kind of see a little bit of my baby bump. We are going to be getting a bedspread come this fall. It's ordered, it's just on back order. So that'll be coming soon, hopefully. And that concludes the tour. Thanks for coming.